Cavite, Palawan, and sorry.
Where did it go? Sorry. Sorry. Thank you. Let's join us.
So we source our coconuts from originally Palawan and Cavite, and sorry. Here. So we source our coconuts from Palawan originally, but also Cavite. And the goal is, as we expand, is to get the coconuts from everywhere in the Philippines because we want to support partners and farmers from all over the Philippines.
Miss Bien, earlier mentioned you're very, very involved there with all the collaboration thing. So how did you get to pick which flavors to include with Pickup Coffee?
Yes. So I guess as I mentioned earlier, we really wanted to do drinks that make drinks that are very fruity or earthy. And as much as possible, we wanted to go for flavors that are very fruity. With a twist, with a twist. It wasn't, well actually, I'm lying if I say that it wasn't difficult. It was very difficult just because there were so many options. And remember, there was a lot that kind of didn't make the cut.
I think also the focus was to relate to the Filipino palate, so that's why we have ube, that's why we have like mango, and a little bit of coffee as well, and strawberry also. So it was also to link what we already know and what we want people to discover and collaborate.
It's very tropical.
It's very tropical, yeah. We wanted to go for something that's very refreshing.
I was wondering na yung mga plant-based natin, usually they're priced a little higher than usual. So I was like, what's your game plan in expanding? Aside from partnering with brands like Pickup Coffee, but like, what is your game plan?
Well, for sure, our partnership with Pickup Coffee is amazing because now we're available everywhere in the Philippines. Everybody can try it. It's very affordable. For our milk itself, basically we're trying to scale up.
Surprised, yeah. People are actually surprised that it's moving.
It's one of the most affordable ones.
Affordable, yeah.
And especially for the quality, we mentioned earlier, organic and fair trade. But eventually the price will go down because we're scaling up and up and up again. We're still a very, very small brand, and of course if you compare to dairy, dairy actually benefits from a lot of subsidies and government prices that artificially puts it down, but dairy actually in reality should be 2 to 3 times more expensive than it is. And so hopefully the government will also help brands like us that are Filipino produced and good for the environment, for the animals and our health. So hopefully it will be accessible for everyone. But for now, yeah, for sure, thanks to Pickup Coffee, it's going to be everywhere.
Since nandito si Sir Francis, I know meron kayong branches in Mexico as well. Will this be available in Mexico? That would be right, introducing Filipino flavors abroad.
Actually, go for that.
Making them surprisingly accessible.
Can you tell us more about the health benefits of coconut milk? Why do people should perhaps switch up to the regular milk?
She's looking at me every time. She's like, please answer this.
Your
When
turn.
it comes to facts kasi, I really depend on him to answer everything because I might miss out a lot of things. Siya kasi on point siya.
Your turn, sir.
Yeah.
I mean, well, basically, we are 25% less sugar than dairy milk. We're 20% less fat, so that's it. It's cholesterol free also, and basically, scientifically, humans are not really meant to drink dairy or like breast milk from another species, another animal. And here in the Philippines, we're lactose intolerant, almost everyone, 95%. So actually, coconut is actually much closer to us than dairy. And yeah, so I mean, all of this makes it like such a more natural product to like pick. So we really hope that this can become the new normal.
Can you tell us what sparked the collaboration between Pickup Coffee and Rosas?
Sam just came to us and was like, yo, how we talk?
I don't know how.
I remember just happens effortlessly. It will be starting.
Yeah, I think Pickup was one of the most recognized startups in Filipino. So we ended up, Sam, our co-founder, ended up in the same kind of like circle, and then we realized we're very aligned. So let's do something together.
The personal note when I found out, and yeah, oh, Nadine again. We worked together before. In another very popular film.
Right. Very, very popular.
I think it's bringing a lot of my other ideas to life. When it comes to, well, when it comes to Lihas, it's very straightforward, you know. But I think when it comes to Nine Lives, for example, which is my eyewear brand, there's so many possibilities that we can do, and it's kind of my creative avenue as well, you know, for fashion. Eventually, hopefully, you know, it goes bigger and becomes more of a lifestyle or a fashion brand rather than just an eyewear brand. So I think it's really just that. I'm excited. How do I say? I'm just excited to make these ideas come to life.
It's more expressive for her, I think.
Expressive for me, yeah. When it comes to like management, I'm like, kaya nyo na yan. I'm more on the creative side talaga.
So, paano naman po kayo supportahan ni Sir Chris as partner in sa kanilang klaseng achievements in your work?
Kasala siya sa business. No, but I would say that it's really nice to be in a business with someone who has the same passion and the same drive as you. Because the experience ko din kasi before, like being in a business and yung partner mo parang ano ba yan, not very interested, parang just wants to be in the background. The energy kind of doesn't sync up eh. But it's different when you're with a partner who's also interested, has the same values, has the same principles.
Yeah, we support each other.
Support each other.
Whenever she's a bit down, I'm trying to be, you know, and when I'm a bit down, she helps me out also. So.
And last question for you, ano ba yung really inspired kung paano madami sa iyo sa business? So, ano yung gusto mo i-share sa kanila na valuable lesson na learn mo over these years na pag-business din at the same time sa business?
I'd say don't give up. If you have a dream, just push into it because it's not gonna happen overnight. Sometimes it'll take years, which is exactly what happened to me. I started being on TV when I was 7. No one knew about that, so my career kind of blew up lang when I was 20. So you know, good things take time. So if you have a dream, just hold on.
If there's one habit or lifestyle shift you'd love for people to take away from the us, what would it be?
Beauty contest question.
Dito contest pala ako, sorry.
Thank you so much for
Sorry,
being
first pala.
Top 3 question na to for the crown. For the
No, obviously for Chris and I, it's really just to go local, go more plant-based, go for the more mindful choices. It's really just that.
That's how you vote, yeah.
Yeah.
Are you vegan na ba?
Yes.
You are. For how long have you been vegan?
So I've been vegan since August 2022. Siya longer. Hindi siya kasi go the transition na. He went straight to going back to
This is really up your alley talaga. No? Pasok your passion and personalized in the business din. Ano? But
What's
go ahead,
next?
go ahead.
Well, tuloy-tuloy yung pag-shoot namin. Very excited to, you know, to see the movie on screen. But syempre, marami pang days. So I'm just really happy about, you know, the whole film and being able to work with Ate Vice again. And obviously with all of the cast, it's been an amazing, it's an amazing set. Everyone's just having fun, you know, good vibes lang kaming lahat. So I'm just really excited to see it.
Miss Nadine, medyo off topic na konti. Maraming na-stuck na traffic sa atin ngayon. What do you do when you're stuck in traffic sa car?
Work! I still work! Yeah.
What way you think?
Listen to music. It really depends.
Or shout the other driver. No, she works.
You don't sleep in the car.
No, my mind is too active. Yeah. If it's during the day or at night, I pass out. Like, I'm always working. But it's okay. I'm happy with what I do.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Congratulations.